Hi guys, welcome to Let Us Study channel. This is Saket teaching you chemistry, the sixth lesson of acids, bases and salts in CBSE and fifth lesson in NCRT. Now I am about teaching about fifth class of NCRT, acids, bases and salts. Let me let us know what is an acid and what is a basis. Before going to that, we already know about different kinds of materials and their uses. Now, we will learn about different substances that come from these materials. Each substance has its own characteristic properties. On the basis of these characteristic properties, these substances are grouped into acids and bases and natural. Acids, the word acid means sour. All acids have a sour taste. For example, sourness of vinegar is due to acetic acid. Lime and citrus juices are due to citric acid. Tamarind due to tartaric acid. Sour milk due to lactic acid. And apple juice due to malic acid. See the sources of common acids in the following table. Wait. See here. The following table consists of formic acid like anstring, citric acid, citric fruits such as oranges, lemons, lactic acid like curd, oxalic acid like spinach, as ascorbic acid, alma citrus. It is also rich in vitamin C, guys. Tantric acid, tamarind grapes, and unripe grapes. Now we will see what are acids. There is some characteristic of acids to recognize them. Okay, now we'll see that characteristic. A substance that dissolves in water to give hydrogen ions as the only positive charged ions is called as an acid. Here, this sentence means that an acid, if it is dissolved in the water, it only gives the hydrogen plus ions which is positively charged. So, which is positively charged. Okay, means positively charged ions are bases, acids, and negatively based hydrogen ions are bases. We will talk about bases in our next class. First, we'll learn about acids in this class. Okay. Now, what is a strong acid and what is an weak acid? First of all, we'll know what is strong acid. A strong acid is nothing but large amount of hydrogen ions. Large amount of hydrogen ions large amount of hydrogen ions are produced in the strong acids, such as example are mineral acids such as hydraulic acid, sulfuric acid, H2SO4 and nitric acid, HNO3, that are used in the laboratory are called as mineral acids. These are strong acids. They burn our skin. They and can make holes in our clothes. Now, this is we learned about strong acids. Now we learn about weak acids, that is opposite of strong acids. There is a simple sentence that acids that dissolve in water produces less amount of hydrogen ions are called as weak acids. In weak acids, there are two subgroups which are concentrated acid and dilute acid. Concentrated acid have large amount of acid and less amount of water, whereas in dilute acid, dilute acid contains large amount of water and less and low amount of dilute acids. These are called as dilute acids. Now there is a precaution for you children. A dilute acid is made by adding water to concentrated acid, and when water is added to an acid, a lot of heat is generated and even an explosion may take place. This acid cut holes. Therefore, always acid, water, and never water to acid. These acids should be used only under proper guidance of the supervision of a teacher. If you add water to acid, there is a chances of creating a blisters on your skin, and there is an explosion kit. If you add acid to water, then there is no that much big effect on your skin, and the and please children, don't pour acid in steel containers, because they will become more reactive, as the steel is reactive. And please don't use metal items. That's why a borosilicate glasses are provided in your chemistry lab, that will not react with that acid does not react with the glass. Now, what is an indicator? An indicator is nothing but all you know an indicator is nothing but a chemical substance which helps in finding the given substance is an acid or a given substance is a base. So now you will get a question. How many indicators are there? Oh, there is only litmus. Litmus is also an indicator. First, we'll discuss about litmus because there is a the litmus is in your portion. So we will discuss about litmus. What about litmus? Litmus. First, we'll know history of litmus. Okay. Litmus are two types. There are two colors, I think. Yeah, there are two colors. One is red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Okay. Now, how litmus is produced? Litmus is extracted from the lichens, and litmus is a pure purple dye which, if you dissolve in water, it changes its colors. Okay. Now, this pure dye is converted into a paper through some process. They do that process. You don't need this process now, so I am not telling. So when we keep blue litmus paper into acid, the turn sorry in bases that turn red. If you keep red litmus paper in acids, that turns blue. Okay. Now we will go to next topic, which is properties of acids. What are properties of acids? So there will be some properties to uh, define a person. Like he's very angry, he's very kind, he's good in speaking. In the same way, acids have also properties of acid. Properties such as acids are sour in taste, acids have corrosive action on skin, acids cause painful blisters, acids are soluble in water, acids conduct heat. Okay, acids are sour in taste. It seems yes, citric acid in sour in taste. You all know that. Now, acids have corrosive action on skin. It seems. Do you know? If you try to know, please don't know. if you if you try to know, your hand will be not there. Okay, don't try. Okay, just listen. Acids cause painful blister. Don't try, please. Acids are soluble in water. Yes, I told that. Dilute acids can also conduct electricity, guys. This is an extra point for your exam. And acids conduct heat. Of course, they conduct heat. Uses of acids. Before going to uses of acids, this is the next information for you kids. We'll know about what is pH scale. Okay, now we'll go to our pH scale. Children, this is a pH scale. Okay, this is just my imaginary pH scale which I am showing in this. Here, see, the pH scale is a measures the strength of an acid on the basis of hydrogen plus ions present in the solution in an inverse proportion, and the higher number of H plus hydrogen plus ions, the lower on the pH. The lower the number of H plus ions, the higher in the pH. The pH value of acids lies between 1 and 6, and the relationship between the H plus hydrogen plus ions and pH is shown in the table below. Okay, now we'll see here this table. See, here pH scales tell that which has more number of hydrogen ions, which is more corrosive, will be like decreasing. Means this arrow, if the hydrochloric acid, it's very corrosive, so it will reduce. Means how much corrosive, how much acid power the acid has, that much less numbers it will go. Such as our stomach has HCl, so it's in first place, and the zero is hydrochloric acid, the king of acids, which is present in the external world. We can't don't try to touch it also, because if you smell also, it's very nose will hair in the nose will also burn. Okay, in the and in first one we have our stomach, which is present in the HCl is present in the stomach. And the second thing, this egg, I think so, sorry, lemon. Second, lemon, which is more grapes and tomatoes, banana. Till 6 all are acids, but after 7, seventh one is neutral. Then after 7, these don't harm, but these are after 7 all are bases, such as eggs, baking soda, soap, ammonia, bleach, oven cleaner. Okay. Okay, now we learned about pH scale. Now we have to know uses of acids, which I okay. What are uses of acids? Acids are so corrosive. So you all thought, I think so, acids are very dangerous. There is no use of acid. Then why to keep acids in the market? Now we learn why they are keeping acids in the market. Carbonic acid is used to make soft drink. See, Acids are also very, every day you drink one cold drink. Some guys will drink cold drink. That is also an acid. Okay. Tantric acid is used in the manufacture of baking powder. You will eat cakes. You will every time eat cakes. Some people every time eat cakes. That also acid only. Tantric acid present in that baking soda. Nitric acid is used to manufacture fertilizers. Okay. See, nitric acid very dangerous. Some of the dangerous acid is used to manufacture the fertilizers, which helps the farmers of our India. Very good acids. Very good acids. Now it is also used to purify gold and silver gems. See, it's purifying gold and silver also. How much great work they are doing. Hydrochloric acid is used in industry as well as in the cleaning kitchen sinks. Without your kitchen is no without cockroaches means of this acid only. Okay, remember. If you want to kill cockroaches, use this. Harpic is there. Some other Mr. Clean. All examples are this. Please don't use with your hands. Tell your parents to do. Okay. Okay. With this we will end our class. Okay. With this we will end our class. This is Saket, and please subscribe. And we have created a website also. You will get the worksheets there, and please subscribe. Lastly, the signing off. This is Saket. Jai Hind.